Here's how to add more than 10 photos on Instagram post. So in this short tutorial, I'll show you how you can add multiple Instagram photos on your post. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. By the end of this video, you'll learn how you can add multiple photos to your posts. First up, you basically need to go to App Store. And once you're inside your App Store, you basically need to go to search bar and type in Instagram. Just like me, just type in Instagram. And here, as you can see, that my Instagram is up to date, and you basically need to make sure that your Instagram is also up to date. And I'm on the version 359.0.0, so if it's not updated, just simply update your Instagram. It's good to do this process. So once your Instagram is updated and you've confirmed it, I'll basically go back and simply go to your Instagram and just make sure that you're logged in into your Instagram account. Now you basically need to go your profile or just press on this little plus icon on the bottom. So I'm just gonna press on it, and here, as you can see, I've taken like 13 or 12 pics, and I'm just gonna post them at all once. So what you simply need to do is just basically press this square icon where you can see right next to camera. Once you press on, let me just go ahead again and do that. Press on square icon, and here we go. We're just gonna select these images just like that, one by one. And yeah, 12 images, so it's basically more than 10, and I can add the 13th image as well. Now you simply need to press on next, and here, as you can see, these all are the pictures. Now I'm just gonna press next after that and simply press share. Once I press on share, it's just gonna do the uploading process, so you have to wait depending on how much images you post. It actually doesn't matter if you post more than 10. You can actually, here as you can see, just keep your Instagram open to finish the posting. So it's just gonna post in a few seconds. And yeah, it might be done anytime now. Let's quickly refresh my Instagram, and here we go. Here, as you can see, I basically uploaded 13 pics, and yeah, this is simply it on how you can add more than 10 photos on Instagram posts. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.